equipment, just your body, your breath, and a quiet space. Let's begin. Grounding and breathing. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Take a deep breath in. Lift your arms slowly and exhale, letting go of all tension. Relax your shoulders. Let your spine lengthen. Feel your feet connecting with the ground beneath you. This is where Tai Chi begins. A calm mind, a stable base. Movement 1, horse stance, flow. Now, step your feet a little wider. Bend your knees gently. Not too deep, just enough to feel your legs wake up. Inhale as you rise slightly. Exhale as you lower again. Feel your thighs engage, your core firm. Each movement builds strength and stability through your hips and legs. Stay soft in the upper body, powerful but relaxed. Movement 2, wave hands like clouds. Now begin to shift your weight slowly from side to side. Your arms move as if floating on air, smooth, effortless, like clouds drifting in the wind. As you move left and right, feel your legs supporting every step. Your core stays steady, guiding your motion with grace and control. Breathe naturally. Let the rhythm of your breath flow with your movement. Movement 3, brush knee and twist step. Step your left foot forward. As you shift your weight, brush your front knee with your left hand and gently push forward with your right. This move strengthens your thighs, hips, and core, improving coordination and balance. Now switch sides. Right foot forward, smooth and slow. Imagine moving through water, strong but never forced. Movement 4, golden rooster stands on one leg. Now, lift one leg slowly, keeping your spine tall and steady. Your arms rise in front of you, soft and controlled. Hold for a moment, breathe in, and as you exhale, lower your foot gently back down. This movement improves focus, coordination, and core strength. It also helps prevent muscle loss as we age, keeping your body strong and balanced. Cool down and relaxation. Return to a neutral stance. Inhale deeply, lift your arms, exhale slowly, lowering them down, palms facing the earth. Feel warmth in your legs, calmness in your mind, and energy flowing through your body. You've just completed your 8-minute Tai Chi session. Practice this every morning or after work to keep your legs strong, your posture steady, and your energy balanced. If you enjoyed this routine, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little peace and movement today. Stay balanced, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next session.